Alright, that was where the action was. And then this is Cape May. I mean, we're talking about August and there's nobody around. Really, really weird. One guy jogging. A couple locals probably driving to see what's going on, if anything. I think they said there's a couple surfers on Poverty Beach. So we'll maybe drive over there and see if we see anything. But everything's kind of boarded up and yeah, it's Cape May's finest. And the lifeguards, got a couple guys hanging out. Yeah. Let's head downtown. Action News was here, Channel 6. Well, this is Fabio, live, Cape May, for all my Facebook friends. George's place. Yeah, a lot of sandbags in front of the stores. Everybody kind of boarded up the fronts. There's Joe Carney and the gang. Got tape everywhere. This guy boarded everything. Oh, I guess nobody's dancing tonight. Marquis de Lafayette. Yeah, this reminds me of January in Cape May. Only it's 85 degrees out. Somebody's in a hurry. He's gonna pass me.